Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with a wonderful video that I am so excited to share with you today. Now I know most of you might be already doing this for the benefits of this, what I'm getting ready to show you today, but I'm going to show you how to do it in a liquid form that I guess maybe some of you are already doing. I am late to the game, okay? But I've been doing some research on this wonderful tea that is going to change the game on your health journey, in your healthy lifestyle living. This is something that I think we all should be doing because of the added benefits that you're going to get just from this one glass of water, okay? And it's only one ingredient that you need. That's it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about garlic water, okay? Garlic water. Now, I was never a fan of the smell of garlic. I was never a fan of drinking garlic water. I've never done that before. So this is really something that I gotta get past, all right? So I'm gonna show you how it's so easy to make. It's so simple, all right? And then afterwards we're gonna talk a little bit. So let's start this right now. All right, y'all, so we're going to start making our wonderful detox water. I'm telling you, you are going to be surprised with how easy this is and the amount of benefits you're going to get just from drinking this. All right, so automatically you're going to start off with your pan. Okay, and we're going to put our pan on the stove, fill it with about a cup of water. If you got spring water, filtered water, that's best, okay? Now, while that is warming up and boiling, we're going to take our garlic clove. All you need is basically one garlic clove because it's a cup that we're going to be drinking. So you drink 8 to 10 ounces of your garlic water, okay? Alright, so you're going to de-skin it. And this is actually a little bit over a clove, but we're going to use it. Alright, and don't ask me about no garlic powder because that is not going to work. I don't even really want to consider even the minced garlic if it's in oil. So if you can get the fresh garlic cloves, that would be wonderful, okay? So I'm just going to take this and just mash it down because I want all the juice to be able to come out easy when it goes inside of the water, okay? And I smell it already. This really just gets the juices going. Okay. Drop that in your pan. And we're going to let the water warm up, okay, to a nice little boil. So simple, so easy. Once that's finished boiling, we're going to pour it, strain it, and then consume it. We'll be right back. So now our garlic water is ready. What you're going to do next is just pour it into your strainer. And this is a game changer, you guys. This is a game changer. Now your water is going to look a little cloudy because all the benefits of the garlic is in there. So I'm going to let this cool down, and I may try to sweeten it to see if that would add some taste to this because I've never tried this before. So let me let it cool down and we'll come right back. All right, family, so I am back. The tea is cooled down. I also put in a teensy bit of honey to get past this smell. Whew. I'm not a fan of garlic unless it's in seasoned food. So to smell this house is driving me crazy, and I'm praying that after drinking this, it's not going to come out my pores or I'm not smelling like garlic. But let me try this and see how it tastes. Now listen, I guess it's an acquired taste. And after I drink this, I guess what I'm going to do is either pop a mint in my mouth or maybe take a teaspoon of honey just to chase this awkward garlic taste. Now, it's not a very desirable taste. It's an acquired taste. So I guess after drinking this on a consistency every morning, you kind of get used to it. I mean, if you're not used to the taste of garlic by itself, if you don't just eat the cloves, then you're not going to really be a fan of the taste of garlic or the smell of it on your breath. So my best suggestion is chase it with a mint, an Altoid. That's not a plug for that company, but chase it with an Altoid mint, maybe a teaspoon of honey, just to get past that hot breath that you're going to have, okay? Hey you guys, I am back. And this is for the review of that garlic water tea that I made.
Man, oh man, oh man.
I never experienced anything like that before. Let me tell y'all something. Now, I don't know if maybe I just made it in a condensed form, but I tell you the way I made it, it really worked. There's a couple of different ways that you can actually make this tea. And after doing a little more research, I didn't have enough water in it. You also can add lemon juice and honey. I guess that helps with the taste. But I tell you, I like the way I did it. In that little glass with a little bit of honey. Now I know I could actually add more honey, so that's a plus, because it's going to help you get through that nasty garlic taste. Not to mention, I have not tried it with the lemon. So hopefully that will help also like neutralize that taste. So I'm going to try it that way the next time. But I'm going to make it the same way I made it. Plus in this video I'm going to show you another way as well to make it. So this way, if that's a little too strong for you, you can make it this other way and it's all good. Well, I tell you like this. It only took 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes tops before I was off and sprinting. Listen, you guys, you need to expect it. You're going to be hostage in that bathroom for at least 30 to 40 minutes, maybe even longer, depending on how bad your body is backed up or whatever gook you got going on up in your system. Everybody's experience may not be the same, but I know one thing with the way I made it, it worked fast. It didn't take no time to start. And it worked fast. Now right now, I still feel a little unsettled. Man, it's gonna kick your butt. Literally, okay? So I can tell you this much. It works. It works. And you can also drink this before bedtime so that your body is more relaxed and it can do this detoxification on you. But I don't want to do this at nighttime at all. I'd rather be in my bed sleep. So in the morning, if you got time, maybe it's best at night. Because if I suggest do this early in the morning as possible before you really got to run out. Because you're going to need to stay indoors for at least an hour and change because of the way it's going to work on you. So if you're used to going to the bathroom and sticking around in there for quite some time, then this is the tea for you. This is going to work you out. It's going to help you with weight loss. All them things that was, man, all those toxins, all those, that good, man. You're going to lose weight. You're definitely going to lose some weight. So if this is one of the reasons why you want to drink this garlic water to clean your stomach out, clean your intestines out, ooh, then this is just for you, okay? But I got another video coming out that's going to explain all the awesome benefits of drinking this daily and what it's going to do to change your life, okay? So stay tuned for that Stay tuned for that video, y'all, all right? And until the next one, I will see you then. Hey, fam. Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.